Before we start configuring the asset accounting in SAP, we have to perform one important configuration, that is assigning the tax codes for non-taxable transactions. This is one of the prerequisite steps for performing the asset accounting. We do this configuration so that whenever we are posting the non-taxable transactions to the tax-relevant accounts, we need to specify the 0% tax codes. What we have to do? We need to specify the 0% tax codes. For example, in asset accounting transactions, we do not require the input or output tax to apply. So, to configure that, the first step is to check whether the tax procedure is assigned to the country or not. So, to verify that, what we have to do is, we have to go to SPRO, from there SAP reference IMG, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Tax on Sales or Purchases, and then I'll click on this basic settings, and finally I'll click on this assign country to calculation procedure. When I click on this assign country to calculation procedure, the system will navigate us to the new window. Since the location of our company code is India, so what we have to do is we have to click on the position button and enter the country as IN, that is India, and hit enter. Now, we can see the tax procedure ABC tax being assigned here. So 1, this is verified. The next configuration is defining the tax code for 0%. To define the tax code, we use the transaction code, that is FTXP. So what I'll do is, I'll just press the back button once to come back to our previous configuration screen, and from here, I'll expand the calculation under the tax on sales or purchases, and here I'll click on the define tax codes for the sales and purchases. Here you will get the pop-up window requesting to enter the country code. So here I'll enter as IN and hit enter. Again, the system will navigate us to the new window. You get to see that maintain tax code initial screen. Here, enter the tax code that we want to create. So, I will create a new tax code as S0. So, what I'll do, I'll just create the new tax code as S0 and I press enter. In this screen, I will update the description as sales output 0%. What it is? Sales output 0%. And here, tax type as A, that means output tax, and just press enter key. Now here for the tax percent rate field, what I'll do is I'll just assign as 0 against the account key, that is MWS output tax. Then to save the changes, what I'll do is I'll just click on the save button. Similarly, I will create one more tax code as P0 and I'll hit enter. Now, I'll give the description as purchase tax for the input tax 0%. And then tax type as V, that is input tax, and press the enter key. Now here for the input tax percent rate, I will assign as 0. What I'll do, I'll assign as 0 and then I'll click on the save button. So we have now created the two tax codes, that is S0 and P0 with the 0 tax percentage. So the next step is to assign these two tax codes for the non-taxable transactions. So what I'll do is I'll enter /n in the command field and I hit enter, so that this will take me to SAP Easy Access screen. So the menu path here is from SPRO, go to SAP reference IMG, Financial Accounting Global Settings, and then click on this tax on sales or purchases, and then posting. And finally, click on this assign tax codes for the non-taxable transactions, or else you can use the transaction code too. So what is the T code here? That is OBCL. Here, I'll just click on the position button and enter the company code as ABCC and I press enter. Now, for the field input tax and the output tax, assign the 0 tax code which we have just created, that is S0 and P0 respectively. Once this is done, click on the save button. Remember guys, this is one of the prerequisite steps for asset accounting. After this configuration, we will proceed to the first configuration in asset accounting, that is creating the chart of depreciation.